The head gasket plays a critical role in the proper functioning of an internal combustion engine. In this video, we will discuss the symptoms of a blown head gasket. Before discussing the symptoms, let's discuss the function of the head gasket. The primary function of the head gasket is to seal the combustion chambers in the engine. It is installed between the engine block and the cylinder head. The head gasket ensures that each cylinder has proper compression by sealing the combustion gases within the cylinders. Symptoms of a bad head gasket. 1. Overheating. The head gasket seals the cylinder head to the engine block, ensuring that combustion gases stay in the combustion chambers. If the head gasket fails, coolant can leak into the combustion chambers, leading to overheating. 2. Coolant leaks. A damaged head gasket can allow coolant to escape from the cooling system. This leakage might occur externally, leading to visible puddles or stains beneath the vehicle. Alternatively, coolant can mix with engine oil if the gasket breaches between a coolant passage and an oil passage. 3. White exhaust smoke. When coolant enters the combustion chambers, it is vaporized along with the fuel during the combustion process. The resulting white smoke is a clear indication of coolant being burned in the engine. 4. Engine misfires. A compromised head gasket can disrupt the combustion process in one or more cylinders. This disruption can cause engine misfires, resulting in a rough-running engine, decreased power, and poor fuel efficiency. 5. Bubbles in the radiator. Exhaust gases can leak into the cooling system through a damaged head gasket. This introduces air bubbles into the coolant. When the engine is running, these bubbles may become noticeable in the radiator or overflow tank. 6. Low coolant levels. As coolant leaks into the combustion chambers or mixes with the engine oil, the overall coolant level in the cooling system decreases. This leads to the need for frequent top-offs. 7. Pressure in the cooling system. The head gasket leak can introduce exhaust gases into the cooling system, increasing the pressure. This is often detected through a bulging radiator hose or a pressurized coolant overflow tank. 8. Compression loss. The head gasket plays a crucial role in maintaining proper compression within the engine cylinders. If the gasket is compromised, compression loss can occur, affecting engine performance. A compression test can reveal lower than normal compression values in the affected cylinders. 9. Difficulty starting the engine. A bad head gasket can lead to coolant leaking into the cylinders when the engine is off. This can result in difficulty starting the engine as the coolant interferes with the combustion process. 10. Engine knocking or pinging. A compromised head gasket can lead to irregular combustion, causing unusual sounds as the engine operates. The knocking or pinging may result from the abnormal combustion process in the affected cylinders.